Hi, okay, I'm Trixed Out and I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulbs on a 2013 Mazda 3. Alright, so first what you do is you grab the bulb. It's the one that has the green little plastic part on it, or sticker actually, I think that is, yeah. And you turn it counterclockwise and then it just pops out. Okay, then once you pull it out, there's a tab here, and you just hold that down like that and pop this off like that. And then you simply put a new one on. You should wear gloves too, because you don't want to get your fingers oils on these things. Goes in like that. Boom. Easy peasy shish kabeezy. Put it back in.
To the left and then to the right.
Put it back in the counterclockwise where you had it before. And just twist it in. That's all there is to it. And I'll do the other one.
Okay.
All right, so you same deal over here. You gotta get in there and go counterclockwise. There's not a lot of room in here, but it's not like you really need a lot of room. And same thing, you press that tab down and pull out the bulb. There we go. And then grab a new bulb. All right, so you just put it back in, turn counterclockwise until it seats itself, and then clockwise to lock it in. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And there you go. Like a champ, baby. Got all the blinkers, everything's working.